This technology contains several dozens of know-how and is the only cloud system in the world with a full cycle of testing and prevention. Let's consider all the features and advantages of this program together. Next, you can take a measurement to determine the body mass index. This measurement is intended to correct eating behavior, regulate the normal functioning of the digestive tract and the whole body. The rapid test of susceptibility to bioresonance effects will show how much your body perceives this effect and how effective prevention and treatment by this method will be. The multi-test allows you to conduct all rapid tests simultaneously and get a large comprehensive report based on the test result. Based on the results of the multi-test, you get an opportunity to create autocomplexes aimed at strengthening immunity as well as against allergies. There are two types of testing in the electropuncture section. The first type is a vegetative resonance testing. There is a selector base consisting of several tens of thousands of testing resonant frequencies nosodes, which allows you to identify probabilistic parasitic and infectious diseases, an etiological factor and its role in the pathogenesis of each particular disease. Complex section. The process of questioning is launched. Depending on the previous answers, the system will ask questions, the answers to which will allow the neural network to compile a unique, individual complex containing frequencies regarding all possible causes of the current body state. Connect electrodes and start reading out the indications. Testing is based on measuring the electric skin resistance of the biologically active points in 6 LEDs. The system analyzes current indications as well as indications of previous measurements, select probable diseases from a server database, and prepares an individual frequency complex. The general condition of systems displays a visual diagram for each system with different colors. Also, here you will see the normal range and numerical indicators. The diagram menu section displays the condition of 47 organs and systems with numerical indicators and a phenomenon of decreasing. Zones are displayed in the projection panel, that is a projection on the skin areas in which external symptoms, referred pains and hypersensitivity often appear when a disease of internal organs is present. Having found the symptoms in the tested person, you can get additional confirmation of a probabilistic diagnosis. A drop-down list in the middle of the screen allows you to switch from a realistic image to a schematic one. This may be necessary when the image of a naked body is unacceptable for religious or ethical reasons. In the spine menu section, a diagram of the spine is displayed, projecting the condition of organs on the vertebrae. Each vertebra will be displayed in the corresponding color. Clicking on the vertebrae or on their designations, you can see organs associated with it and possible problems on the right when the disc is displaced. Ranking helps to determine the source of an inflammatory or chronic process. When choosing a session, organs and systems are arranged in order of deviations decreasing from the norm. In other words, sorting occurs from the most pronounced chronic fatigue and inflammatory process in the direction to the norm, from top to bottom. A level indicator is displayed on a colored background in front of each organ or system. The phenomenon of decreasing is on a gray background, and a level of deviation from the normal range is in percentage. The imbalanced system displays the imbalance of separate organs in systems, the deviation from the normal range, and in what direction. The energy system allows us to find the connection between the emotional and characterological type of the tested person, using an ancient system of knowledge about energy centers, chakras. In this section you can see the interpretation of the conclusion in the form of chakras. An open chakra is represented by the maximum size, a closed one by the minimum. The down arrow means receiving cumulative energy. The up arrow means emitting lost energy. An aurogram is an interpretation of a report on 47 organs and systems in the form of a circular diagram. You can visualize the associated organ or system on the right by clicking on numbers on this display or in the column. Organs and causes, which may arise because of this change, appear by clicking on the indication in the column in the panel. Next, we can view the probabilistic burdens of various parasites with toxins and target organs that can be affected. Also, there are the expected changes in organs and systems below. You can also view the proposed changes in organs and systems. In the biological age section, you see the corresponding indications, as well as the tendency for the next 20 years and the causes of aging. The vitamins section reflects the likelihood of the body assimilating these vitamins in the form of circular diagrams. Filling 100% suggests that this vitamin is well assimilated. Partial filling indicates assimilation. Micro and macro elements. The micro and macro elements section reflects the probabilistic content of the element in the body at the time of measurement. The arrow on the left shows that the element in the body is below the norm. The arrow on the right shows overabundance. The number means the level of deviation from the norm, in percentage. You can see a list of substances of probable toxic load including heavy metals below in the menu. Also, in this program section, amino acid deficiencies are displayed that can lead to problems in the tested person's health later. According to the results of matching preparations, you can form a report in the form of a diagram by the average indication of the effect on the body. Separately, you can view a report on the result of matching products. The amino acid report indicates insufficient absorption, intake, and distribution of amino acids in the organs and systems of the body. All data are divided into 3 groups: non-essential amino acids, partially essential amino acids, essential amino acids. Psychosomatics shows an assessment of the state of psychosomatic disorders where the frequencies of the preparation's flowoplex are taken as the basis. Altered reactivity reflects the body's predisposition to allergies and may also indicate products that can accumulate in the body in the form of endotoxins, when consumed in excess with food, when taken with inhaled air, and in other ways. Also, you can get a report on a zodiacal diet and sportive nutrition in the program. Based on rapid testing of the body mass index, taking into account height and weight, by mathematical modeling, the frequencies necessary to correct the state of your body are selected. These frequencies are already included in the ready-made complexes that are present in the programmer. Therefore, an individual complex is made up of a series of programs that have the necessary set of frequencies to correct the state of all organs. The BRD susceptibility report shows in front of each organ and system a number that indicates the susceptibility to the BRD effect. In the water balance report, you can see recommendations for taking water per day, the percentage of water in the body, and the same value in liters. The report also shows the amount of water in each organ as a percentage. In the symptomatic complex report, you can see the expected conclusions for those parts of the organs where, according to the results of your testing, some problems are present. Also here the system can create a unique, individual complex containing frequencies relative to all possible causes of the current body state. In the Generating Reports section, you can generate a report you need by ticking a desired view. The report can be printed out on a printer, sent to the specified email, or saved as a PDF file.